Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video we're going to be talking about none other than Book of Meme. See what is happening with the price of Book of Meme, what we could be expecting as we go further into the month of April. So, the month of April has started off on a little bit of a negative tone as we discussed yesterday and should not really be coming as too much of a surprise to any one of us right now. So, we're looking at, once again, Bitcoin did see, the price going below $66,000, and obviously that is impacting a majority of the markets right now. Bitcoin down 4.5% as you can see, and obviously the altcoins are reacting to that. But if you're looking at Book of Meme right now, Book of Meme has a lot of bullish momentum against the overall market right now. The reason as to why I say this is because the way it's holding right now, everything has been impacted right now except Book of Meme, and that is showing that the momentum is definitely on its side. And if things were to reverse for Bitcoin itself, I think this can really push Book of Meme, towards its all-time highs. And that's, again, as always, my own personal opinion. Just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, looking at the price, 1.6 cents. Loving what I'm seeing for Book of Meme. Up 1.1% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, and it's also up 5.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap $1.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume sitting at 1.2 billion. So what we've noticed compared to yesterday is that the overall trading volume for Book of Meme has increased compared to yesterday, and this is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis, because we can really see what's the difference between the day-to-day basis. But anyways, let's continue to take a look at what's happening. So a lot of people don't focus on the holder count, but you're looking at the holder count climbing up. What is that? It's climbing up, and that is a huge plus point as well. 74,791 holders right now, and that is obviously really nice to see. And quick reminder for everyone, obviously we hear about the comparison between WIF and Book of Meme, and I really want you guys to take a look at the holder count difference, because look at the market valuation on Dog WIF Hat. We're looking at a $4 billion market cap, and you could see that's 3 times the size of Book of Meme's market cap. But let's take a look at the holder count for Dog with Hat. So 112,670. So obviously the difference is not a small difference, but the fact that Book of Meme is able to get 74,791 holders in less than a month speaks for itself, and I'm very excited as to what is going to happen. And as far as the dev of Book of Meme goes, continuously doing unique things, as I've said, and I think that is going to help push it to another level. But again, only time is going to tell. But let's take a comparison with its competitors, because that's what I want to talk about. So the overall Memecoin market combined in terms of the market valuation did take a hit. We're down about 14.1%, guys. That is quite a big, large dip within the overall market valuation. But let's remember, you're just solely looking at just the top 4 in terms of market caps. These projects are down 8.9%, 5.7, 5.8, 7.1, just based off of these big market cap projects. You're seeing billions of dollars income combined that has gotten out over the past a few hours. So that is obviously something we need to keep in mind. But this is what I want you guys to be focusing on. So if you're looking at the overall market, you're seeing Book of Meme having a lot of traction right now, and I think it's going to come knocking on the door for Bonk very soon. I'm very, very optimistic on that right now, because the momentum and chart speaks for itself. I think the way Book of Meme is holding right now, I think Bonk is going to get replaced, as well as possibly Floki, because if it's able to get to Floki's level, we're looking at the top. We're looking at pretty much an all-time high, if it's able to get to that spot. And one thing I want you guys to be focusing on is, as of now, we're seeing, 2 Ethereum projects, actually 3 different Ethereum projects that are in the top 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So and I think, we're going to see, a little bit of a half, a balance between that. So I think Book of Meme has a lot of legs. But look at this new thing as well, called the cat and dogs world. This is insane. We're living in times that I think we would have even have seen last cycle. Of course, late last cycle, we saw, the meme coin mania really going to another level, something we have never seen in the past. But honestly speaking, no one projected that, it's going to happen. What's happening right now, people are becoming millionaires out of, literally snap of a finger. And again, speaking about that, when I say that, you really want to understand what I'm saying. You are not going to get lucky with every single coin. I hope you realize that. You need to educate yourself how the meme coin market works, and you only want to invest what you can afford to lose if you have done your due diligence and research. If you are going blindly with, insane large amounts of money and just blindly putting into some random meme coins, well, guess what? You are already doing everything wrong and you're wishing your money goodbye. So do your due diligence research, understand how meme coin market works, and then pick the coins that you like. That is not my responsibility to do. I'm just giving you guys my analysis, my personal opinion on it. That's all up to you guys to decide. But let's continue to see what's happening. If you're looking at the dominance index, it's climbing up right now around 54%, but not much has changed. And obviously, as mentioned to you guys earlier about BTC, Bitcoin chart, I haven't really brought that out, but it's currently sitting at 54.6k. 55.6k right now. But let's take a look at Book of Meme, and let me explain to you what I mean as to how good it's holding right now against the market. So, if I were to zoom in, you can literally see pretty much I'm ranging it from the March 18th low, which was at the 86.43 zone. And, a lot of haters, obviously, at that point, I'm sure those people are probably kicking themselves for, hating on Book of Meme, because, we did see Book of Meme climb up 117% since that low, which was about, I would say, 2 weeks back. So definitely this upwards trend, especially on the hourly time frame that you're seeing, and right now what you're seeing happening is that the previous level of resistance, which obviously we did see back on the 21st of March, that exact same level of resistance is playing as a level of support right now for us. So obviously, without a doubt, one thing you want to see is Book of Meme is going to react to the Bitcoin momentum. We did see Book of Meme see a pullback of about 17.2%, but it's picking up. It's picking up traction, and I have very confidence in Book of Meme that it's able to reclaim back above this 2 cents mark in the upcoming days ahead of us. Even if Bitcoin were to see a little bit of a push towards the upside, the momentum is speaking for itself right now, and I think the 2 cents target is a realistic target to still go for, despite the market seeing a little bit of a pullback, believe it or not. And 2 cents is only a 21.84% move, and obviously when it gets to that point, I think we're going to be above bonks market valuation, and then off we go. Obviously after that resistance, the next main target that we're aiming is at the 2.46 cents, and then the all-time high will get retested, and then off we go potentially to a new all-time high and price discovery mode. And I'm personally projecting that if it's able to get a $2 billion market valuation around this 2.9 cents, almost 3 cents, that puts it at a $2 billion market cap. And in order for it to go to WIF's level, WIF has a market cap of 4 billion, so that would be double that, and that would put the price of Book of Meme at 6 cents. Believe it or not, I'm literally eyeing that level after we break all-time high. And in order for it to break all-time high, it's only a 75% move, and obviously to get to that 6 cents level that I'm referring to, that's a 264.9% move. Obviously one step at a time, but it's really reminding me of what WIF did. But at the end of the day, only time is going to tell. But what Bome is doing right now is what WIF did in a bunch of, I would say, in a course of like a few months. It's doing it in literally such a short span of time. So are we about to see a battle between all these meme coins to see which one is going to get to the $10 billion market cap first? Yes, that is correct. That battle is going on, believe it or not. Look at it yourself. We're seeing Dog with Hat, first one to almost reach $5 billion market cap after the last bear market. And you're looking at Pepe pretty much on the neckline, having a battle Floki, Book of Meme, Bome. So there's a battle going on, and I think it's going to be a very interesting one to see. Do let me know your thoughts down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.